Hello friends, welcome back to another video by Smartest Blogger, and in this video I am going to tell you how to create an word counter tool in Blogger. So let's get started to our main video. So before getting started, subscribe our Smartest Blogger channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notification time to time. So this is my website smartestblogger.com. Link is given in the description box. You want to click on this post and you will be get directed on this page. Here you can get all the information regarding to this video in the written form. From this page you can also subscribe my Smartest Blogger channel by clicking here. If you want to create like this button, then video is in the I button. So here you will see the demo page of the word calculator or the word counter. So here you want to add some text. I will copy some of the paragraphs from here. After copying, I will paste here. So by pasting all the paragraphs here, you will find that the character, words, sentences, paragraphs and reading time here. The best and the important valuable thing is here you can find the top keywords of the paragraph or the article. So here are some of the examples: the tools, blogger, script and site. It will show how many times that word has been entered here. So if you also want to create tool like this, follow some of the tips which have been mentioned here. So our first step is to create a new or empty blog. So I will go to my Blogger dashboard and I will create a new blog. So I will create a new blog and give title as word counter. So I have given the title as word calculator. So give anyone URL for your blog. If you have already Google AdSense approval to your main or any other website, so use its domain to earn from this tool. So our blog has been created. So we will see our next step. Our next step is to, after creating a new blog, you have to go to theme section and apply essential theme for your blog and click on the down arrow to switch your blog to first generation without backup. So we will follow this step and go to theme section. After going to theme section, we have to add essential theme for our blogger. So you want to find the essential theme. So we have got it. Then I will click on apply. So this theme has been applied to our blog. So click on the down arrow and switch to first generation classic theme without any backup. After creating this, our next step is, our third step is, after doing that, click on edit HTML button and clear or delete all the code which have been mentioned there and download the word counter code from the below link and open it on your PC and you will get it txt file. It is a zip file. You want to extract it and it doesn't have any password. So we will click on HTML and select all this code. After selecting all this code, we have to delete this code. So I will delete this all code. After deleting this code, we have to download the file which have been given here. Here timer has been set. You want to click on download button and timer will start. If you want this script code, then comment me down, I will give you. So after this, a download button has been created. You want to click on that button and you will be get directed to Google Drive page. So after you have been gone to this page, you want to click on download button. After clicking on this download button, your download will save to your computer. So it asked me to write his name. I will replace it with already one. So our download has been completed. I will open it in folder. After downloading it, you want to extract it. It doesn't have password, so it will extract. So word calculator txt file has been mentioned here. You want to copy this all code. After selecting and copying, open your Notepad++. I will cut this window and open Notepad++. After opening Notepad++, create a new page and paste that all code here. After pasting this code here, you want to again copy this all code. After copying this code, you want to go to edit HTML and paste that code here. After pasting it, you can save it. So I will show my blog. So our third step has been completed. Our fourth step was to open that file and paste that code and save the changes. We have done it. So our fifth step is, after saving the script, you want to open it. After opening, you can see a navigation bar is displaying here. So what we want to do? We want to go to theme section, click on down arrow and click on change nav button. After clicking that, you want to select off and save the settings. So we will do this. Clicking on down arrow, click on change navigation bar button and set it on off. After off, click on save. So our settings has been saved. We will refresh this page. So our word counter tool has been created successfully. So our next step is to ensure that this tool is working or not. I will copy some of the paragraph from here and paste it. So after copying it, I will paste it here and see it works. Here you can get the keywords, and this is one of the best feature of this tool which I have liked. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. And at last, don't forget to subscribe our Smartest Blogger YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notification time to time. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.